An OEM customer approached Viking about a new project. They had a demand for a part that required a shot size of less than 1.5 grams of material. The product was high volume production and required a 16-cavity mold, all while cost had to be aggressive. They needed high efficiency, 0 defective parts per million, and low cycle times. The Viking team selected a Sodic plunger-style molding machine to offer a combination of low cycle time, low residence time, and a high level of shot control with a sub 1.5 gram shot size. To prepare inserts for overmolding, automation was developed to feed, orient, and prepare inserts for loading. An intermediate robot was required to populate a pickup station for the main molding machine robot to interface. The main injection molding machine robot has customized end-of-arm tooling that permits a fast and accurate pick and place of the inserts for overmolding. Once overmolded, the inserts are conveyed and advanced through a bowl feeding system that orients the inserts for 100% inspection using Cognex camera systems. This ensures 100% good product is going into the box for shipment. In keeping with the mantra of reducing human touches, parts are then automatically loaded by count into packaging and conveyed to a station for pickup by material handling.